Welcome to our channel. If you want to discover free entertainment through promotional partnerships between brands and content providers, follow these step-by-step instructions to access premium content at no cost. Step 1. Research which major brands in categories you regularly purchase from have entertainment partnerships, such as telecommunications companies, food and beverage brands, or financial institutions. Step 2. Register your product purchases or service subscriptions on brand websites, as many companies offer entertainment rewards through customer loyalty portals. Step 3. Look for promotional codes on product packaging, especially on limited edition items or promotional packages that advertise entertainment partnerships on the label. Step 4. Follow brand social media accounts where companies announce flash promotions offering free streaming credits, concert tickets, or premium content access to engaged followers. Step 5. Participate in brand contests and sweepstakes that offer entertainment bundles as prizes, as these often have good odds due to low participation rates. Step 6. Check your credit card or banking rewards programs for entertainment partnerships that allow you to redeem points for streaming subscriptions or event access. Step 7. When you find a promotional partnership offer, act quickly, as many have limited redemption quantities or first-come, first-served availability. Step 8. Redeem your promotional entertainment access by following the brand's specific instructions, which may involve entering codes on partner platforms or linking accounts between services. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.